Hola minions! So we're headed to Musée Du BonBon, I'm pretty sure. So it's like a temporary pop-up museum, and it's basically like very Instagram-y themed, in the sense like it's perfect. Each like room is perfect for taking pictures and stuff, so I'm really excited. It'll be fun. I'll also kind of vlog the whole experience so that you guys can see it and see how cool it is. And it's only here until the end of the month, so that's why we are eager to go now. But yeah, stay tuned. God, VIP. Thanks God I'm a VIP. Welcome to my yellow room.
You might break it. You're like 180 pounds.
Alright. Ooh, nice bubble bath there, babe. Nice bubble. Oh, pose.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look who it is. Do something.
Hola minions! So it is another Friday. We are heading to do the Coquitlam Crunch. Well, we're here, but we're just about to start. But yeah.
Usually on Fridays we like to rest, but today we are gonna go for a hike. I don't know, maybe just so we can fix our bodies, you know, do different movements such as hiking. I know it's simple, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god! This guy almost backed up into us. Almost. But yeah, and then later on we're gonna watch a movie called Us.
Yeah,
So,
it should be fun.
stay tuned. This is like one of our first hikes in like
A long time. He actually wanted to go to this harder hike. He said that like 2 weeks ago or 3, and I was like, shouldn't we start off slow? And he wanted to go when it was like all cloudy and wet still. And I was like, shouldn't we start off slow? And then I suggested that we go on this hike today. It's kind of easier. I guess it's like a way you can build your way up. And he's like, are we ready for it? And it's like sunny. It's an easier hike. Gosh. Like you can see all Coquitlam when you
it's
come
all
to
about
the
the view, so we can take a picture of the view with us in it and put it on Instagram.
It's hot.
You know what I didn't know? That the lighter your coffee is,
The stronger.
the stronger the caffeine was.
Yeah. I'm surprised you got blonde roast.
Yeah, because I know it has more caffeine.
Oh, I was going to tell you that. I was like, did you know it actually
But
has the
before,
strongest?
I would always buy the dark roast because I thought the darker it is, the stronger it is.
No, but it's roasted more, so the caffeine is like extracted out of it.
Fun fact. Blonde roast is stronger than dark roast.
If you guys are wondering what this is, by the way, it's little
These are
boxing
my
gloves.
this is actually my
That's
brother.
the Filipino flag.
Yeah, this is the Filipino flag, where it says Philippines. So you got the sun. I'm actually gonna explain to you what the flag means. So the flag is usually like this. Blue is on top, red is at the bottom, and you got the sun, and you got some 3 stars here. So the 3 stars represent the 3 parts of the Philippines. So they've been separated into 3 parts. There is the north, the middle, and the south. So the north is Luzon. That's where my mom is from, and the middle is Visayas, and the bottom is Mindanao. So that's what the 3 stars represent. It's blue at the top because this means peace, peacetime. If there's a war going on, it's gonna be red at the top, so it's gonna be like that. So if you ever,
Oh, really?
if you ever see this in the Philippines, that means there's a war going on, or they just got their flags wrong. Yeah, but there's a sun here, and there's 8 rays. I totally forgot what the 8 rays of the sun are for. But yeah, the reason why this is here is because my brother. This is my brother's car. He is a kickboxer. He's currently in Thailand right now, so I get his car for a year. And he also has this cross there. Keeps us safe, keeps us protected while we're driving. And he has this Sonic the Hedgehog because we grew up playing the console Sega, and Sonic the Hedgehog was one of our first games.
If you guys want to do some activities, go outside on a sunny day, get your butt moving. You work different muscles.
Go for a hike. You can hear Michelle doing a story at the background. Show you guys what our life is like. Take you on a journey. As you know, we all gotta stay connected. Come on, slowpoke. Look both sides before crossing, boys and girls. What is life? I think life is fitness, food, traveling, friends,
love,
deep conversations. What?
Well, love with your family, your friends. Yeah. And your partner if you have one.
Oh, we're not even at the top.
So turns out we were at a park yesterday, just like a little bit. That's the Monday park, the one that we want to show you guys. And he was joking. He's like, "What if a bear pops out?" And I'm like, "Yeah, there's no bears. It's in the middle of the city. It's a park that's like, it's like a trail, but it's in the middle of the city." And then I was talking to one of my clients that night. She's like, "Dude, I legit saw bears there. I legit had people tell me to turn around." So it's kind of funny. I just thought I'd share that.
Can you imagine a bear just pops out? That's my impression of a bear.
What is it again?